So as usual, we post our drawings in the space, and now we're gonna start drawing by following the instruction. So it says draw AB and CD 70 millimeters and 120 millimeters respectively, meaning in the same order. So AB is 70, CD is 120. So it says through A, B, C, and D, draw the rectangle EFGH. So through A, B, which is minor axis, and CD, which is major axis, we are going to draw this rectangle. EHGF, which is the same measurement in length. So same as the major axis, EH is the same length. Same as the minor axis, EF is the same length. So we're going to draw a rectangle that is 120 by 70. So turn on ortho, 120, enter, 70, enter, 120, enter, enter, and then click 70. You could do this also by clicking the rectangle tool, right? And just use the dimensions. So rectangle, use rectangle, click a starting point, click dimensions, and type length is 120, you press enter, and the width is 70, you press enter. I get it same way. So you have several ways you can do it, whichever way is up to you. So now what you want to draw is your major and minor axis, which is AB and CD. And you go ahead and draw them by, but these are in center lines, don't change them to hidden lines to construction lines. Alright, so we'll go back to using construction lines. Alright, so now form these lines. And notice me have snap on, so I don't need to find the center. As long as you have object snap on with your points turned on, it will give you center and midpoint. Alright, so hover over it to get a midpoint. Turn it on back. Alright, so you hover over it, you're supposed to see a triangle. If you're not seeing it, turn on object snap. So come down, boom. Alright, now that we formed that, what it says to do next? It says here that we should divide CD into any number of equal parts, but we'll use 12 for this activity. Also divide EF and HE into the same number of equal parts. So we're just like the drawing, and divide this into 12 and divide this into 12. However, what you want is actually the center line, which is CD, is to be divided into 12. On manual drawing, you would do your line division exercise and then project these lines from here up to here. So this tree here is this line here. So because we're doing AutoCAD, we don't need to go through all these procedures. We just need to divide CD into 12 and divide HG into 12. Transfer all these divisions over here and these over here and keep the ones in the middle. So what we're going to do now is divide the center line into 12. So divide, enter, click, 12 segments, enter, you get the 12 of them, right? Then this one now, we divide this into 12 and this into 12. So divide, says select object to divide, number of segments, right? 12, enter. So these divisions, you can copy them and paste them on the other side because you will need them. So home, copy from one side to the next. All right. So you have these divisions over here, you have them over here and over here. Similar to what we have here. So you have this division here, 12 divisions here. You have 12 divisions on this side, and you have 12 divisions on this side. The reason why they had this on this side and not on this side is because when you do the division on one side, you don't need to do it on the other side. You need to just use a T-square and transfer the line all the way across. But in order to just copy this division into over here. So you have all of them, right? So you have point A, you have point B, so we want to do a labeling before we go any further. So point A, hold on, let me copy all of them together. Copy, paste. So now, all right. So we have A, B, C, D. According to the drawing here, A, B, C, D. So now it says that we should join A to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on EC. So EC is this side. So EC, so EHGF. So we're going to label that now. Copy. E, H, whatever that is, GF. So E, And next one is F down here. F, E, F, G, H. G, H. All right, so E, F, G, H. Now it says here that we should join 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 5 on EC and HD, right? So that's what we're going to do now. So from A, we're going to join all these points here. From A to all the 5 points. So 1, connect to 2, connect to 3, connect to 4, and do the same thing over here. Connect to 1, connect to 2, connect to 3, connect to 4, connect to 5. All right, everybody understand so far?
Sir, I leave out one. You never
You go.
connect A to the second
Oh,
one.
yeah, thank you. So 1, 2, there. Thank you very much, sir. You paid attention. All right, good.
Yes, sir.
So now we connect all those. So the same thing that we do here, we can do at B. The instruction says here that we do that too for B. So now from B, you go boom, there to there, there to there, there to there, there to there, there to there. And do it on the other side as well. The reason why the drawing that you get in the book would not do all of this is because it would be too confusing to explain all of this. So what you do is just connect all of them. They just show you one side up here. They just show you this side and the rest is left. So what you can see here is all these lines here radiate to these points. And then from B, they have all these points radiating through the center points to touch the corresponding point. So from B through 1 to touch on line 1, B through 2 to touch on line 2, B through 3 to touch on line 3, B through 4 to touch on line 4, and B through 5 to touch on line 5. And this is how you get the point, right? So the same thing is what we'll do. Now, let me use green lines to make a little difference, or purple lines. Let me see, any type of lines, it doesn't matter. So I use phantom. No, that's too dark. Let me use hidden lines for now to establish the difference between the lines. So what you want to do is to scribe from B now through 1 to 1. See that? What's that?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So what I do normally, because AutoCAD doesn't is not a ruler and it doesn't allow you to draw a line through another line, right? That you don't know exactly know where to touch. I could do that, but I'm not sure if it passes through the center. See, it doesn't necessarily pass through the center. See that? So you kind of miss the center. See that? So the way how you're going to do this now in AutoCAD is you're going to stop it right on the point, boom, and then use extend tool. So from there, you're going to click extend, EX, enter, boom, extend. Cool? That way you're sure it passes through the point. Everybody understand that? You understand that?
So,
Huh?
so you put it to the line up there, the first line.
Yeah, so from
Yeah,
point B, watch me now. So it comes from point B through 1 to line 1. See, line 1. So from B through 1 to 1. Same thing over here. So from B through 1 to 1. That's how you get all of them. So we are doing the same thing again from B through point 1 to point 1 up there. So click this, click this, extend, EX, enter, extend. See that? So you're going to do that all the way around. So the same thing from A now, you do the same thing. So from A through 1, A through 1, going all the way up to 1 here, right? So EX, enter, and then from here, EX, enter, boom. So that. So you're going to do that with all the points now from A and B, and then you'll get the points to plot going all the way around. So I'll do it more speedily now. The line from A to 2, A to 3, A to 4, A to 5, and then I'll do the extension now. So 1 is done already, so 2, EX, enter, 2, 3 EX enter 3, 4 EX enter 4, 5 EX enter 5, and this side is done. So from here going up now, we do from B to 2. You get confusing after a while now. B to 3, that's why you need to understand what it is. B to 4, B to 5, and then you do your extension as well. So 1 to 1 is done already. Notice 1 to 1. So next one is 2. EX enter to 2. Next one, EX enter to 3. EX enter to 3. EX enter to 4. And it's done there. Now, next thing for here. Boom. To center. So we're going to do all of them. Alright, so I have 3 minutes left, and I'll try to get it done in 3 minutes. Boom. So the next one, 2, EX, enter, pick 2. EX, enter, 2. EX, enter, boom. EX, enter. Alright, so the next one now is from A coming down, and we're done. So A to 2, A to 3, A to 4, A to 5, and then we do our extension again. So E extend enter 2, so 3 extend enter 3, 4 extend enter 4, 5. Something is off here, right? Yeah, we do 2 of them line here. So this one should go here, this one should go here, and this one should come here. So the last one now is from this one, EX, enter to boom. Alright, so now we can draw our ellipse because we plot all the points. Notice the point from the center coming all the way around. Yes, you come all the way around to there, to here, going around. So if we draw the ellipse now, go to ellipse, ellipse axis end, center, major axis. No, what's that? Ellipse, center end. So ellipse center end, create the end, major axis, then what's that? We're going. Let me try this one. Center. So ellipse center, major axis, then minor axis, and then change it to object line, and you see we have our ellipse, right? Now, if you look, you can see it pass through all of my points them perfectly. When you draw with pencil and paper, it is impossible for you to get it perfect because we're not a computer, but when you draw with computer, it is perfectly perfect. There's no imperfection in it. This is something that you created that is actually perfect. No imperfection at all. And you can see that a lot of them are coming from the same point, but no matter how far you zoom in, see that? You want to ensure that your points are accurate. Alright? So it's basically plotting a graph. And then what you do after this now, you do your labeling. So you label all your points just like you have it here. 1 to 5 on each line, 1 to 5 on each line. And that would be how you complete the rectangle method. Right? So copy the same, constructing an ellipse, rectangle method. Everybody have an understanding, right?
Say